Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Millionaire. Today I'm going to talk about the market, give you a quick market update, talk about also Cardano in a bit more detail, where I believe it could go. It is the third biggest cryptocurrency now by market cap, and it sure is getting noticed, and everyone's talking about ADA, leading up to the long-awaited smart contracts and all these projects going live on Cardano. So we're going to go into a bit more depth about Cardano, but generally, just give you a quick market update. You got Bitcoin at 48,916 right now. You got Ethereum trading sideways, pretty much 3,291, and obviously Cardano at $2.47. Okay, and nearly 80 billion market cap, and very close to 100 billion market cap, and not far off where we believe it could go to. So it's gonna, without further ado, I'm gonna go right into Cardano. So Cardano right now, 24 hour, its low was $2.41. It's up to $2.47 right now. The peak high was $2.58. It's had a mega pump. Essentially, Cardano had a mega pump. It's literally gone up 100% since the last couple of weeks. You can see Cardano is literally flying right now. Okay, from $1.37, $1.31, sorry, on August the 2nd, and today now pretty much $2.47 trading at. So it's almost doubled its price. Okay, so it's Cardano's doing fantastic. Where do we believe Cardano can go right now, leading up to smart contracts? I personally believe Cardano can go to $3.40, being my price target, short to medium term. And if Bitcoin carries on to stay strong, max, I believe Cardano would possibly, if it carries on, we can be seeing $4.40 Cardano within the next couple of months. Okay, if it stays strong, so it could go to $3.40, stabilize, trade sideways, for a couple of weeks or a month or so, and eventually it could have the mega pump to $4.40 and $5. Okay. And end of year, obviously, this is a long shot, but like I said earlier on my previous videos, Cardano could easily reach $10, but that's more dependent upon Bitcoin and so on. Just to play it safe, guys, I would be taking profits around $5 mark. If it does hit $4.40, I'll be starting to take some chips off the market. I'll be taking some profit then, but it all depends on your overview. If you are long on Cardano, it's only getting started. Smart contracts going live, it's been a 4 years wait for smart contracts, longer waited, a lot of delays, and people saying they're taking too long and so on, but they've done it right. The gas fees are going to be low. You've got all these fantastic projects coming out of Cardano, and it's only a waiting game. You got the liquidation effect as well. In terms of, you got all of these platforms on Cardano, like you got one called Sunday Swap, which is gonna need to buy a lot of Cardano, for the liquidation purposes, and you need to see like that's gonna obviously have an impact. Okay, so there could be a price discovery mode at that point as well. But the point is, normally people buy the news and obviously leading up to it, and they will sell it off. But it all depends the way the market goes. But right now Cardano is very strong. I don't believe it would dip again, other than go. I don't think it will go under $2 anymore. I think it will stabilize around this figure unless there is a big crash in the market, and I'm going to go into that in a bit more detail. So right now, as you can see, like I said, $3.40 is my short to medium term price target, and $4.40 being my best short term price target. Okay, and that would easily see Cardano above 100 billion market cap, which we all want to see. Um, you know, closing on Ethereum. day by day, essentially. And the more companies launch on Cardano, the more there's more of that take of their ecosystem. It's only going to get stronger. What we would see, I guess, I mean, in this market cycle, Cardano is establishing its market share, and eventually on the next cycle, you will see Cardano come into maturity, and I believe it will be trading at far higher prices than what we see right now. It will be so if you're long on Cardano, it's entirely my perspective. I would say you'll be definitely in for around $15 to $30 Cardano, but that's not short term, that's long term. Okay, and that's very much a possibility as Cardano grows and the ecosystem gets more used. Right, so that's a quick market update today, guys, on Cardano. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you subscribe to the channel, don't forget the notification icon, and until the next time, guys, bye bye.